Caldera could be directly translated as a pot or cauldron. Oftentimes, modern calderas are aluminum pots. However, in the Philippines, people still use traditional clay pots called palayok. This rudimentary metal pot was often used for boiling rice as a step up from traditional clay pots. A bolo is a large cutting tool of Filipino origin similar to the machete. The primary use for the bolo is clearing vegetation, whether for agriculture or during trail blazing. The bolo is also used in Filipino martial arts or arnis as part of training. Its availability made it a common choice of improvised weaponry for the everyday peasant. Kudkuran ng niyog or coconut grater. This is a native traditional implement used for scraping the coconut flesh of its shell. The blade is attached to the end of a wooden bench on which the person doing the grater sits. The type of coconut that is subjected to this type of grating is niyog, the mature coconut with thick and the white meat. Bangguran sa mais is a traditional tool used for the local farmers who undergo into corn production. This is also to extract the grains from the corn cob or the pakaw in Cebuano term, which can be easily separated. The tool is made from a hard wood with metal and sharp blades horizontally and tightly attached to it. The bangguran is effectively placed lying down position, and the corn is held by one hand and put it first on the part of the bangguran, where no metal blades nearer to the person's position. The corn shall be moved forward and backward direction and struck the grains of the corn in order to be extracted. A careful handling of the corn shall possess in order the fingers cannot be accidentally wounded by the blade. Cornmeal o galingan sa mais that made of stone. This was the traditional Cebuano way of grinding corn. Milestones come in pairs. A convex stationary base known as the bead stone and concave runner stone that rotates. The movement of the runner on the top of the bead stone creates a scissoring action that grains grain trap between stones. Millstones are constructed so that their shape and configuration help to channel ground flour to the outer edge of mechanism for collection.